Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will gonna show how to get and configure free VPN in Windows 10. VPNBook is a virtual private network service. The service connects to a VPN using OpenVPN client or a PPTP connection. So first of all I will configure PPTP free VPN. Now open the Windows settings. And go to the network and internet options. Here go to the VPN in left hand side. Now click on add a VPN connection. Now here enter the required fields. So you can follow my settings. Now you can get server address from VPNBook website. Username and password will be there. Now enter the username and password here. Now save the settings. Now click on connect. Now you can see our VPN is connected through free VPN provider. Now you can check the IP address. Now you can set up the free VPN using OpenVPN application, so open the official website. Now here you have to download the OpenVPN Connect application from official website. Install the application. After installing open the OpenVPN Connect application. Now here you can export the .ovpn file. So for this file you have to visit the official VPNBook website. And here you have to download the VPNBook profiles. Extract the file and import the profiles in OpenVPN Connect application. Now enter the username and password here. Now connect your VPN connection. And here you can see you are connected with free VPN. So that is it. This is the way how to get and configure free VPN in Windows 10. Thank you for watching this video. And make sure to subscribe my channel so you don't miss out on my future videos. Thank you very much, see you in next video.